Having workforce.com has definitely saved me a lot of time and therefore money, probably about 6 to 10 hours, if not more, a week. So my name's Jane Squire. I'm the third generation of Squires Fish Chip Restaurant in Braunton in North Devon. We've been around since 1969. It was originally started by my grandparents, and over the years, the place has expanded. Before we used workforce.com, we used to have one of those clocking in machines where everyone had their own little card. But the problem with that one was I couldn't change any time. So if anyone missed a punch or, punched in late, I couldn't amend any of that for them. What I really wanted was just to have one platform for everything. My favorite thing is the shift replacement. Before, I would have literally had to text every member of staff, but workforce.com just makes it seamless. They press shift replacement, somebody else will say, oh, I can do it, and I pick who I want, press approve, and then it's on their timesheet. It saved me so much time. Having the payroll, it's just seamless, and then I get to see all of the staff's hours, who's doing what, who's finishing late, who's starting early. Like, I would take their timesheets and I'd print them off, as I said, but they wouldn't be able to see what they actually did as well. So there had to be that level of trust of, oh, I hope Jane's not trying to rip me off. Our team worked so hard, and you want to make sure that they're being paid properly for what they're working. So that was the real key difference between some of the other software that also integrates with our till system. It's just that clear visibility. Now that everything's synced with HMRC as well for their tax codes and things like that, it's been a lot more streamlined for the staff as well. In the past, if they changed a bank account, oh my gosh, like, so many different people had to have their bank account number. Now they just simply go on their Workforce app, they change their bank account details, and Bob's your uncle, it's all sorted. There's no exporting to anything else, there's no talking to anybody else. Emily just knows and it's done. Having workforce.com has definitely saved me a lot of time and therefore money, probably about 6 to 10 hours, if not more, a week. So it's really reduced a lot of my stress, and I have a lot of stress. And it's just so simple to use. I would encourage people to go for an all-in-one solution, because our focus is so split at the moment, particularly in hospitality. There's operational costs, there's what's going on with the government, there's what's going on with your staff, so many different things. As many things that you can bring together so that it makes your life easier and saves you time, I think is beneficial. I know it's certainly been beneficial in my business and for my mental well-being, if I'm honest, just to have everything in that one platform that's so easy to use and so user-friendly for my staff as well.